All right, just got to the camp. Saturday morning, and we're gonna do a lot of work today. I brought a lot of parts with me, a lot of goodies. We're gonna try and fix, I think we'll renovate the bedroom today and see how far we get after that. It's gorgeous. Check this out. It's a beautiful wind, a little bit of cloud. It's gonna be 30 Celsius later today, so hot. But yeah, come along, this is gonna be fun. First steps whenever I get here is basically just get everything opened up, and then we'll get the battery connected, get the propane flowing, get the fridge cooling off. This fridge seems to go pretty fast. We'll try some more of the garlic spray for mosquitoes, set up the generator because we're going to need to test the AC later, and just see how far we get with everything. But it's pretty straightforward on these campers. All the turn locks here, and we can get in, and then we can connect our battery. I don't have a proper switch yet, but I will add one eventually. For now, this is fine. And now we're live. Current should be flowing. Converter should be powered up, and we'll hook up our power here. Want to try and grease that slide today too and test it out. Looks like either gypsy moths or forest tent caterpillars starting to hatch already, but yeah, not bad. This will do. Oh, hummingbirds are at my feeder. Look at that. That's been feeding the hummingbirds here. My grandma started feeding them decades ago now, and they're pretty great. So looks like I just set up the feeder last week, so I'm glad they're happy. Get the fridge fired up here. Want to fix this door. I have all the parts for all of that too. Got a lot to do. Pump on. Not great on the charge because we don't have anything set up for charging. The solar panel's not hooked up. We have one of those to retrofit too. This is what I forgot last week. I forgot my bloody cooler. Let's see. How do we do? Let's get some light. On with the lights. Got all lighting to retrofit today or soon too. Gas. And we should be good to go. Awesome. Well, first time the awning's been up on the budget camper build. Pretty happy. It's in one piece. Went up with only one problem. I have the knob on that horizontal support has to be fixed. It's stripped, but seems to be fine. Everything's holding, so that'll do. I'm pretty happy with that. Got a little bit of shade, and I don't think it's supposed to rain, but let it air out and dry out. I'll be good for it. Pretty happy. If you haven't already seen it, I'll post a link down below to my other channel where I made this kit, this sort of on-the-go camera kit with all the stuff I need to just pick up and go to the field for videos like this. And I wish I would have done this years ago. This is game-changing. This is letting me post videos to all 3 YouTube channels now. I'm pretty happy with it. DJI drone, all the goodies. I'll post a link down below to me putting this together. It's got more bloody cameras, 1 2 3 4 5 6, my cell phone 7, my DJI 8, and stuff for the DSLR, which I don't often bring, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, first order of business, I think, is we're going to deal with this bedroom today. This is a mess. This is raw. Sorry, it was a mess when I left it, so it won't be for long. We're going to, this is the bed that it came with. We're going to retrofit this out. These are the cushions from the bunk beds up front, which you haven't seen yet because I haven't cleaned that room. And we're just gonna get everything kind of all set and spiffed up and hopefully a little bit more comfy. All right, step 1. Let's take some bedding out of here. And we're gonna get rid of this mattress. That's why I was sleeping on these foam pads, because, well, I I'm not a big fan of using mattresses with unknown origins, although I spent more time in a hotel than I care to count in the last couple of years. So, yep. We'll get this out of here. Alright, underneath it is a crazy heavy mattress in our storage. So we'll go ahead and get this out of here. Get things opened up a little bit. Let some air through. This room hasn't been totally cleaned yet either, so I'm gonna do that while I've got everything out. I don't think I'll do that on camera. I vacuumed it, but I haven't Lysol wiped everything yet and furniture polished it, so I think I'll do all that as we move along. So let's carry on. All right, I got everything wiped down. I just still got to do the carpet cleaning and clean up over there a little bit, but it's not too bad. And now we have the monster. Let's see, how do we even get into this thing? So this is from Amazon. Really good reviews for a bed in a box. So look at this. You'll receive an extra gift. I'm guessing that's an opener so you don't stab the bed. A lot of really good reviews on this. So for our upcoming products, okay, email them if you want to be a reviewer. Well, I'm a reviewer now with my own money. Remove the wrap mattress out of the box, place it on your bed, cut the outer bag. Do not use scissors, do not use my Leatherman. Roll out the compressed mattress, carefully cut the clear bag along the edges, and it will decompress. So let's see. I have never had a bed in a box before. This is new turf for me. I'm a little excited. It's heavy. Really heavy. And it is getting plenty warm, so I wanted to get this out of the way. Get the big tasks out of the way right now. So it looks like along here will be our cut. And we should be able to roll it ahead, maybe. But they didn't give me a knife to get my knife out. Alright, let's see. So we only want this outer layer. Look at that. Watch the thing knock me over. Alright. Now there's tape holding it. Woohoo! There we go. It's go time now. And then we're going to take it out of the bag completely and just let it rock. The knife's not so sharp anymore. Away. Well, there we are. We have a bed. Fingers crossed it doesn't suck. Because it's never coming out of here now. Definitely not as thick as I had hoped, but we'll see. It's probably going to fluff up quite a lot, I would imagine. So we'll just let that chill. Okay, this is the other goodies I got. Bed in a bag or bed in a box from Amazon. Links are all down below. And we'll see how this works. The reviews on this were pretty good too. It'll probably need the same as the mattress. Going to need to fluff up a little bit and put the fitted sheet on. Get this on there and all set. I'll take it home and wash it too. But I just want to make sure everything fits and see how we do first. So there's the name, Bedsure. All right, I'm pretty happy with this. This is how we came out. I think this is going to be just fine. This is already starting to fluff up pretty good. So yeah, that's I just got to clean out the windows, and I have to replace the wood in this corner here where it had got some water damage at one point, and finish steam cleaning the carpets. And let's do one more thing. Check this out. So in the essence of budget, I found this on Facebook Marketplace for 30 bucks. It's 200-ish right now for a small TV. It's crazy. A small TV is way more expensive than a big TV, but I think this will work. It's beauty. Check that out. So now I can watch DVDs in bed, which I can't yet unless I run the generator. I need to get my inverter hooked up and run this run the 110 volt system from the inverter, and that'll be a future video. Subscribe if you're not already. Join me for this build, but I'm pretty happy with this. All the luxuries of home and a pretty comfy bed. Yeah, got lots of mess to clean up down there. And I gotta fix some drawers. I 3D printed some parts for that, and yeah, we'll be all set. I'm really happy with this, how it's coming along. Cheers guys, good luck in all your projects. See you next video.